XRP agreed with SEC. Decision shocked everyone. XRP to $50,000. According to a recent motion, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is asking for its response to Amici's request, the status of XRP holders in court, to file a summary of Mr. Duty's opinion. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Thus, the SEC wants to protect the expert from angry investors who have seen how the value of their investments in XRP has plummeted since the start of the trial. The agency noted that 11 of the 17 pieces of evidence presented should not be brought to trial because it would endanger Mr. Duty's life. According to the proposal, both Ripple and the SEC held a meeting to discuss which of the exhibits should be registered in the public domain and which should remain confidential. #XRP community #SEC.gov. #Ripple #XRP 1/3. The SEC filed its request to seal its response to the Amici motion to participate in the Daubert challenge. The SEC claims that, while some information the SEC seeks to seal has already been publicized by Mavant's counsel, John Deaton, the SEC recognizes that the proposed corrections to the opposition memo and the sealing of 11 exhibits are narrowly tailored to provide a higher value for protecting the safety of witnesses in light of the likelihood that past harassment and threats will continue in the absence of such steps, the agency said. Notably, the SEC accused attorney John Deaton of publishing some information about Mr. Duty on the Twitter microblogging platform, which it had originally planned to seal. Although some of the information that the SEC seeks to seal has already been made public by the Mavant's lawyer John Deaton, the SEC seeks to seal this and other materials to prevent further threats and harassment of the SEC expert, the agency added. The Securities and Exchange Commission concluded that while expert witnesses understand that opposition parties may challenge their opinions as part of efforts to reject their testimony, they should not be subjected to a campaign of humiliation, harassment or threats, adding, any additional disclosure of information about the expert or his opinion, including the disclosure of material that is already in the public domain, will lead to additional threats and harassment of the expert. Quote. Meanwhile, attorney Jeremy Hogan, a partner at the law firm Hogan, noted that attorney Deaton has every right to comment on the SEC expert witness regardless of whether the comment is negative or not. He added that it was ridiculous for the Securities and Exchange Commission to misinterpret Deaton's lawyer's comment about an expert witness as threatening and harassing. Deaton may have commented on the SEC's expert witness. That is fair, desirable and something that people should do, even if the commentary is negative. But the SEC's conflation of Deaton's comments with harassing, threatening statements others may have made is just ridiculous. As the Securities and Exchange Commission seeks to consolidate its disagreement with Amici's participation in the briefing, Judge Annalisa Torres will be in a better position to decide what will be made public regarding the SEC's expert testimony. Ripple and its executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson have filed their response to the SEC's submission of redactions of their letters opposing Amici's participation in the upcoming review of expert testimony. Ripple noted that despite the fact that it agreed to the SEC's request to close some information in order to protect its experts from prosecution, the blockchain company objects to sealing other documents entirely. #XRP community #XRP #SEC.gov. #Ripple #XRP. The Ripple defendants have filed their response to the SEC's submission of proposed redactions to the SEC's letter opposing Mavant's motion to file an amicus brief regarding one of the SEC's experts. Ripple's lawyers noted that they rejected the SEC's call to keep other documents sealed because the agency did not meet the standard for sealing documents. Quote, Ripple added that the SEC's proposed redaction request is too broad and contains parts of its legal arguments and documents that are already posted on various public domains. Some of these proposed redactions do not appear to pose any security risks, but instead seem to target information that would reflect weakness in the SEC case, Ripple said in an excerpt from the proposal. According to Ripple, the SEC improperly requests the secrecy of most of the information attached to its objection to Mavant's request to file an amicus brief, due to the scale of public interest in the lawsuit. Meanwhile, The SEC's recent submission of the proposed revisions came after the court rejected the agency's request to completely seal its letter of objection and physical evidence. Ripple's lawsuit against the SEC is the largest legal battle that has occurred in the cryptocurrency space since its inception. In addition to XRP holders, the entire cryptocurrency industry is watching the trial, because it may eventually become the main factor determining which digital currency will fall under the regulatory competence of the SEC. The SEC's victory will further damage the blockchain company, as XRP will plummet due to the capitulation of large investors. However, if the outcome of the lawsuit is in favor of the blockchain company, its price will increase significantly, since many cryptocurrency-related companies in the United States will have no choice but to relist the asset class. Moreover, it will also be convenient for institutional investors to use this asset class, because its legal classification will be determined. Judge Sarah Net-Byrne ordered the Securities and Exchange Commission to submit 10 additional documents in relation to the SEC's motion for attorney-client privilege in relation to documents for William Hinman's speech. The SEC is required to submit 10 documents for closed review by June 16, 2022, the court said in its ruling. According to a recent court ruling, before the Securities and Exchange Commission began asserting attorney-client privilege in relation to Hinman's documents, the SEC was ordered to submit 10 samples of documents for verification. This was due to the agency's request for a partial review of the court order of January 13, 2022. However, after filing a new motion to protect Hinman's documents on the basis of attorney-client confidentiality, the Securities and Exchange Commission demanded to withhold the documents, as well as other documents filed in the February 17, 2022 motion for partial review. Judge Net-Byrne noted that the court considered the previous 10 documents in the context of the Consultative Process Privilege (DPP), and did not do the same with respect to the others. In order to facilitate the court's consideration of communications that, according to the SEC, are subject to attorney-client privilege, by June 26, 2022, the SEC may submit 10 additional documents listed in Annex 1 for desk review, the excerpt from the court's motion says. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.